Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to do donuts in an Infiniti G37. First, locate a very large, empty, and safe area, like a private parking lot, completely free of obstacles and other vehicles. Confirm your G37 is a rear-wheel drive model, as this technique is for RWD cars. Always check your tire pressure and fluid levels to ensure your vehicle is ready for this maneuver. Next, you need to disable your car's Vehicle Dynamic Control, or VDC. Find the VDC button, typically located to the left of your steering wheel. Press this button once, and you should see a VDC off light illuminate on your dashboard. This action turns off the traction control, giving you the necessary wheel spin. Now, let's initiate the donut. If your G37 is an automatic, shift into first gear or manual mode. Turn your steering wheel almost fully in the direction you want to spin. Then, apply sharp, quick throttle to around 3,500 to 4,000 RPM. This will cause the rear tires to lose traction and the car to begin rotating. As the rear of the car kicks out, smoothly counter-steer in the opposite direction. Use the throttle to control the donut's speed and how wide or tight your circle is. Less gas will widen the circle, more will tighten it. To exit, gradually ease off the accelerator and gently straighten the steering wheel until the car comes to a controlled stop.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.